In front of me is Oppo A40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on app lock under special features. And hit got it. Now you need to use the sweater next to app lock feature to activate it and set up privacy password if you don't have one already. To do that, hit settings in the pop-up. Tap on use a different password type and click on one of those options. I will go with pattern. Now create login method that you will use to unlock your apps. Repeat it to confirm it. And answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, tap on custom question and create your own. Then hit confirm to save it and remember to answer it correctly below. You can also set up recovery email by typing it in over here and choosing confirm. When you finish, use this check mark at the top right corner. Now to lock any app, use gray sweater next to it. So when I go back and try to use one of those apps, I can see that privacy password is required. If you want to disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings, hit app lock, enter your privacy password and use no blue sweaters next to your apps. To disable app lock completely, tap on blue sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!